So let me teach you how to make these Crocs in just 10 minutes. So give me your 10 minutes. I'm sure by the end of this video you know how to make these Crocs in just 10 minutes. So first thing, get your shoe last wrapped, then get your midpoints or your midline. All right, divide your last into two. That's what I mean. Then you get your opening. There's the mouth. Now let me call it the mouth, the opening, or your top line. That's what I'm doing. Just depending on the look you want to have, this is how I want my opening to be. That is why I'm giving it this shape. But if you want it to be flat or just semicircle, you can just do it semicircle. But for me, this is what I want to do. So you get your opening. Then cuts, using your cutter, just cut along your drawing. Cut along your drawing. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you've not subscribed before, please subscribe, like the video, share, and drop a comment. Ask your question if there's any. Remove the excesses of your masking tape. Then detach the pattern from your shoe last carefully. Then you have your paper fold into two. Then you place your pattern, that's your masking tape, on it to give you the full pattern. Right, so you place carefully. All right, then give it your lasting allowance. I normally use 2 centimeters. Yeah, so lasting allowance 2 centimeters away. Then you cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share. Also drop a comment for me. If there's any question, please drop it in the comment. And I have my pattern, right? So I'll be going to tracing now. I'll be tracing this pattern on my material. Now the opening will be having, I'll be folding the opening of the shoe. So I'll be tracing it here, and I'll fold the tip, the trace, and you have your pattern transferred to your material already. That's what I'm doing. Then you apply gum for folding. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Apply your gum for folding. Now if you're cutting out, you'll be giving folding allowance, right? Just, I think, just a little space that will enable you to fold inside. So watch what I'm doing now. Watch carefully. So I'm giving, yeah, you can see the allowance I give, not too much. let's say 0.5 centimeter is okay. And you fold along your line, fold carefully. Fold carefully. So I'm done folding. So I'll be placing this material on another material, which is the liner, right? So I'll be using a black liner, right? So you have to apply gum all over the surface, then you join them together, right? Rub gum all over the surface and join together. Place carefully. Now after this, I'll cut it out, then go for sewing. So I won't be showing the video of where I'm sewing, but I'll be sewing along the my my line, let me say, okay, at the tip. So I'll be sewing. Now you can see that I'm giving some sewing allowance here, so I'll be sewing along the line. It has double sewing, so you'll see it after. All right, so after sewing, you just come get your the floor, because this is a double relax sew, so you'll be using the inner or the floor, then you last your top on it. And you get the center and place it on the last. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you found this video to be helpful. Please don't forget to like and share. Copy the link and share. And just click on your share button and copy the link and share on your social media walls, whether on Facebook, on WhatsApp status, or in your groups, on Twitter, and any other social media platform you want to. All right. And it's the process of lasting or molding. So you mold carefully. Now, please, what did you call this material in your locality? Is it mirror face material? What did you call it? Is it wet loops or what? Even me, it used to confuse me sometimes. So please tell me what you call this material in your locality, this shiny material. What is the name? I want to know. I really want to know. So after fixing your top on the shoe last, cut out the x-axis, then you apply gum and relax, right? That's what I'm doing. And if possible, you use glue for this work. So, it makes it neat. Yeah, because you wouldn't have stains around. Like if you're using normal gum, you might likely have stains around, especially when you're using V-Track or elephant gum. Now that there's no Greco in town, right? So I choose to use my glue to relax the top. While relaxing, please try to make sure you pull it carefully and strongly. You pull and place. At least for you to get maybe 70% smooth front, you have to pull very well, because that's the challenge with this material. The folding. That's what I'm saying. Can you have a look? This is what I'm saying. So after now, you go for scraping. You scrape the under, then place. So place on your, you place it on the sole, and your shoe is ready. This is what I'm saying. I have my shoe ready. Okay. So if you like this video, please like the video and share. Thank you for watching.